Hey everyone, I was asked to show you how to set up a Minecraft server with my plugin BankAccount, which is a shared bank account for Minecraft using economy. Let's show you. Just search for bank account on the Bucket forum and you will most likely found it. Sorry about my English. I am from Denmark and my English is not that well good. So yeah, first you download the file. I have it here. And sorry if my showing is a bit confusing, but it's the first video I make of this kind of videos. When you get the download, if you open it with WinRAR, you will get the comments out here. Else you have the README file. Just show it so you can read it. First, you copy the bank account into the plugin folder. If this is your Minecraft server, there will be a plugins folder here, and just pull it, drag and drop it into the folder. I already have it here, but anyway. Then there is these two files. The MySQL connector is if you want to use MySQL as your database. You use this. If you want to use SQLite as your database, you use this. But to be on the your side, you can copy both. On Windows 7, I use Windows 7 64-bit. I have installed Java 64-bit. It's in C drive. On the English version there will be program files. I have the Danish version, so the name is a little bit different, but yeah, you can see your program files. Basically you should be able to copy this into here. If you have problems with this or have installed it directly on your C drive like this, anyway, you should be able to just look up the folder, kinda. Hopefully it could, but mainly it should be this folder. Copy the files in. I already have them here, so just to show you. I think you need admin power to do this. So now they are there. And I don't know about Linux, but run the server one time. I have this smart little menu. It will create the config file in this bank account folder. You have a config file, and I have basically write about everything. Use MySQL, true or false. True MySQL, false SQLite. The SQLite database file is here. If you want to use MySQL, you just write your informations: the host, the port, the user, the password, and the database. SQL account file, just leave them alone unless you have a good reason and know what you're doing, so just leave them alone. if you want OPs to have access to set up banks, this must be true. If you have use permissions, set this to true if you want them to have access. If you use permissions, the group must have access to this node to set up, to use the admin commands. BankAccount.admin. Global, if the users, the players can use commands global or in specific areas. Specific areas will be banks, basically. Area warrant ID. If you set this to false, you want to select these specific areas, and then you must have used the item, which ID you write here. The default is paper 339. Interest amount, time is in minutes, so every 5 minutes. Amount is percent of account balance added to every account. So every 5 minutes, the default config. Every 5 minutes, every account gain 0.1% of the balance already on the account. That's basically how you get it up running. I'll just show you. I have not changed anything in the config, so I don't need to reload the server. Log in. And this is just a local server, so fast connections. Should have fast connections. Perhaps the fraps making it slow. I'm standing just out here. Slash account. Just get the help. Slash account. Open a new account. Test created. Check my money. That's economy. I have used admin powers just to make sure I have something to show with. Deposit to test. I want to deposit 500 coins. 500 coin added to test. Account info about test. 500 count. Every command have a documentation inside the GitHub. You just go into my page and click on the documentation here, and you will come to a site which describe in details what every command do. If you have questions, just ask in the comments below, or PM me by clicking on my name, and just there should be a start conversation. I can try here, start a conversation. Write to me in here issues if you have issues, and yeah, you're welcome to write me and any about any question you have about the plugin. I will end this video here and make a video about setup of MySQL, and perhaps also areas in the same video. Well, have a nice day, and I think I will make this video now, so you can already go to the next video and see how to set up MySQL and areas for bank account. Bye.